In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Adobe Express account. If you're ready to close your account and remove your data, I'll walk you through the exact path inside Adobe settings and share a few tips so nothing important gets lost along the way. Start by opening Adobe Express and signing in. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a desktop browser makes the process clearer because it opens the account portal in a new tab. Once Adobe Express loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens a small menu. From there, choose Manage Account. This will take you to the Adobe account page in your browser. If prompted, sign in again and complete any security verification. On the account portal, head to the section labeled Account and Security. This is where Adobe keeps controls related to login, privacy, and deletion. Inside that area, select Data and Privacy Settings. This page contains the tools to manage how Adobe handles your information, including the option to delete your account. Scroll down until you see the Delete Account section. Before you proceed, consider downloading any designs, brand assets, or templates you want to keep. Deletion is permanent and you won't be able to recover projects afterward. Also, if your account is part of a paid plan or a team, Adobe may ask you to resolve that during the process. When you're ready, click Continue and follow the on-screen steps. Adobe will show you what apps and services are linked to your account and what data will be removed. Carefully review each screen. You may be asked to confirm your identity, acknowledge that your files and fonts will be deleted, and confirm that you understand access to Adobe services will end. In some cases, you'll see prompts to cancel an active subscription or transfer ownership of shared assets before you can finalize deletion. Keep clicking through, confirming as needed, until you reach the final confirmation. After you submit the request, Adobe will process the deletion. You may receive a confirmation email, and you'll be signed out of Adobe Express across your devices. Keep in mind that it can take a short time for all data to be removed from backups. That's it. You've navigated to the right settings, reviewed what will be deleted, and completed the on-screen procedure to finish removing your Adobe Express account.